Okay, this is a freebie that will be out on my Ko-fi site, and I will leave a link below for that. I hope you will go out there and get your freebie, get everything cut out and inked, and I'll show you how this gets put together. So here on the front of the little folio, we have a pocket with 2 large journaling cards. I used one of the butterflies from the kit to embellish that pocket. And when you open it up, you have another tuck here with another journaling card, another one of the butterflies. And here we have 2 pockets. Okay. And here we have 2 pockets. Right here and here. And here we have a little circle tuck with 2 extra large tickets. One of the butterflies. And then on the back, you have another tuck with a journaling card and an envelope stuffed full of other goodies to use. Okay, guys, so go out there and print that off, get it cut, inked, whatever you like to do, and then come back and join me, and I'll show you how to put this together. I've cut out all the pieces from the kit and inked around all the edges. I cut some holes for my pockets. So let's go ahead and put this folio together. I'll move some of these things aside. Okay, so we're going to start out with our cover, and we're going to glue these 2 pieces together. Line those up as best you can. I'm going to have to do a little bit of trimming, but that usually is always the case. All right. So there's the front of the folio and the back of the folio. And we open it up, and we're going to put these panels on the inside to cover that up. Go ahead and glue those down. All right, I'm going to go ahead and trim that little edge off. And if you want to, you can go ahead and round those corners. This time I'm going to leave them as is. Okay, that's looking good. Now what we want to do is put the little center part in, which is this right here. Ooh, we had gluage. Glue bottle just erupted. All right. This is going to fold over like this to cover that side up. And then this is going to become a pocket right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and get that glued down. Now, there's 2 things that we can do here. We can glue this in, and I have made these before. I have 2 of these other kits on my Etsy site, and I glued it in, and it worked perfectly fine. But you can also sew it in too, right through here. And I think this time, just for fun and giggles, I'm going to sew it in. Okay. find my center. So my center is right there. Come in about I'm going to put this in there really tight. And go ahead and punch our holes for our stitches. Okay, and then I'm going to quickly just stitch that on. And you can either leave these long for some dangles. I'm just going to cut mine off short and erase those little pencil marks. All right, so now that's in. Now we're going to go back to the front cover, and I'm going to put these little side tucks on. I think both of these will look equally good there. Yeah, let's go ahead with this. So we're just going to glue on 3 sides. This is really making a mess. I'm going to switch to another glue. Okay, and then we'll go to the back side and put that pocket on. Okay, so while those are dry, let's go back to the inside and let's get our little pocket here glued down. All right, and then we have 2 pockets here, and we're going to, let's see, put those on like that. Okay, looking good. All right, on here, I'm going to put one of the circle embellishments, and we're going to make that into a little tuck. So I want to glue from about there around to the bottom. Okay. I'm going to put one of my butterflies here on the front. And we're going to give Mr. Butterfly some bling. Okay, that glue will dry clear. And let's stick some goodies down in here. So I have a couple of large journaling cards that I'm going to stick in here. Okay. And here, a couple more journaling cards. Not tuck that in all the way because that glue might still be a little bit wet. All right. And then we have some tags. I'm going to go ahead. Now, I have printed an extra. These do not come in the kit, but I printed out something from the main kit that was just a test print. And I decided to cut these little tabs out. So let's go ahead and put those on. I don't really want to cover up that butterfly, so we're just going to leave these plain, and I'm going to put some eyelets in those. All right, so that takes care of the tags. Let's just put a little bit of string in here. Make them look pretty. Okay, these should be dry enough now. So we're going to put the tallest tag down here in the bottom. And my glue has spread too far. Let me see if I can stretch that out a little bit. And then we'll put a medium-sized tag up here. And let that string stick out of the top. And then, let's see, we can put a little tag here. We have these pieces of ephemera that we can also use. We also have these extra large tickets, and I think I'm going to stick one of those in there. Okay, let's do this side. Probably have to stretch these pockets out too, just a little bit. Be very gentle if you have to do this part. You'll go right through the paper. All right. Oops. All right, and then a medium tag up here. I think that looks pretty. All right, and then here I'm going to put a couple of the tickets. Let's see, let's use this one and this one behind it. Pretty. Okay. And then the next thing we have is our envelope. So we're going to go ahead and glue that down. I'm just looking to make sure I don't have any glue seepage on the inside of the envelope. And then we have all of these other goodies that we can just tuck in there and use somewhere else, okay? And that is going to go here. Let's see. Fits better that way. I'm going to take one of these journaling cards that I put up here. Let's see. Let's take the small one. Let's tuck that in there as well. Okay. Now, we have 2 butterflies left. So we need to figure out where we want to put those. And I like him right there. Okay, and there's the folio all put together. I'm going to take this extra circle embellishment and put this in my envelope. And this thing is sufficiently stuffed for sure. Anyway, guys, that's how the freebie goes together. I hope that you will go make this, enjoy it, actually craft along with me. And this is ready to go into a larger journal or to just use by itself. If you wanted to, you could tie some seam binding around there to close it more. It's entirely up to you, personal preference. So I hope you enjoyed it. They'll give it a try. And I thank you so much for spending your time with me today. And I hope you have a very, very blessed day. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.